We have a list of questions which have come in. Question from Anik is, what is inventory days?
The inventory days is calculating on the basis of the available stock and average sale per day. So depending upon the average sale per day, how many days it will take to clear all the available card stock. This is the inventory days.
Can we also compare month-wise stock availability like month-wise sales? So you want to compare stock availability month-wise.
Now see, in our solution, we're having that comparison option, right? So if you select a particular month, the system will show you the month-wise sale and as well as the stock, and then compare that stock with immediately previous month stock and the same month stock of the last year. So that type of comparison is available in our solution.
We have franchisee model as well, and so on. So what option is there to change the logic in this in ClickSense or in your PI solution as per the customer requirement? And also a subsequent question is, there are actually three questions. How can we change the logic as per the brand requirement? Say so it depends. I think Biplab, you can understand what part of the logic that they want changed, but I think the system is pretty flexible that you can explain. And then
Yes,
yeah, go ahead.
no,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
okay. Now see, we developed this solution on the basis of the standard logic, but obviously depending upon the customer's need, we can make a customization on each and every point.
Great. So customization is possible is Biplab's answer, depending on the requirements, but mostly customization is possible. So next question is, there are franchisee models. So how can with work on season, stories, option counts, wall space? So these are all the inputs, I guess, for a product catalog. So how can it help them to generate a demand plan for their next season? So any option to generate a demand plan or a output plan that they can plan for the next season basis the current season data?
Yes, we're having that option. Now see, depending upon the current sales trend and depending upon the available inventory, we're having the option so that the system can suggest what to buy or how much to buy, right? So this option is there.
Okay. How much to produce also? I think in their case, they are a fashion brand. So I think how much to produce?
Okay, see, say for example, considering the current sell trend, right? Now, if you want to if you want to maintain a stock for say 100 days, so system can suggest how much you should make or you should produce for that 100 days stock. So that is the option is there.
I can also explain this further. Say you categorize your catalog, your current catalog, into various option counts and into your stories. Say, for example, you have a festive story and you have a party story and you have a regular story, and then you have season, spring, summer, autumn, winter, and if you have some other season as well. So suppose you have 3 seasons and 4 stories for every season, and you have say for every product you have 10 options, and you have an option of so the system tells you how much was your throughput last year for these variables, under these variables, for overall for every store basis their sales per square feet. So wall space is nothing but sales per square feet for that particular allocated for that particular season or store. So that also data we can capture if you have the data. I am sure most fashion brands have the data. That is, what is the visual space given to that store, what is the physical stock available in that store. So for these two variables are pretty much there with every merchandiser. Say for this season, this store I'm giving say 10 or 20 square feet or maybe 20 or 30 item display, and what is my overall stock in that store level going to be. So if you provide us that data, definitely we can share you what is the return on that food space or visibility space generated in the last season, what is the current availability, like what is the balance, and how you can plan for the next season to fill the same space. But obviously, which options don't sell, which options sell, which stories did not do well, which stories did well, on a return on square feet basis. So I hope that part is clear. So it is possible, definitely not a problem. We have a what if analysis. So if you want a increase in your plan for next year, so you are projecting maybe a 10% sales increase. So we can also predict that what would be the increase in allocation required. And right now we have it at a product level, but we can obviously break it down as per the customization to these various parameters, seasons, stories, options, and drill it down to the wall space as well. So now it depends how dynamic that wall space is. Is it monthly? Is it weekly changing? If so, then it becomes a bit of a challenge. But if it is fixed per month for that particular story or season, then it works pretty good. And mostly I believe it's fixed. How do we plan? Pranesh Kumar has a question. How do we plan forward week cover days inventory? So I think this is basis the sell through only. So we have a cover inventory cover report. So suppose you want to maintain 3 days of inventory cover, or sometimes you want to maintain 2 weeks of inventory cover. So it depends on the fashion brand. Depending on whatever parameters you have set, the system will tell you whether you're meeting the requirements. Biplab, am I correct? You can define
Yes,
inventory cover in the system.
exactly. We can do that.
Sachin Agarwal has a question. How about if we want to see last year versus this year? That in every part of the BI system, we have given last year versus this year, last week versus this week, and last month versus this month option. So if you're seeing a month-to-month report, you have option of uh, last year versus last month versus this month. And if it's a weekly report, it's a last week versus this week. And if it's a year-to-date report, it's last year versus this year. Correct, Vipul?
Exactly. We're having that option.
Hmm. Okay. So how to take an action of discounting to liquidate the inventory from the same page offering discount to the store? So Gaurav Gupta's question is how to take the action of discounting to liquidate the inventory from the same page offering discount to the store. So I think same page is not there, but we have a markdown option. Biplab, you can explain that. I think it's better you explain it.
Now see, we are having the markdown analysis, right? So depending upon the inventory age, you can take a decision whether you should do a markdown on the rate, so that by giving the additional discount to liquidate the inventory. So you can do that analysis.
So basically, I think what is the discount and what is the margin you will save, and what is the sell through you can expect by the discount, that also the system will tell you. And but it is not possible to instruct the system from the BI system, because the BI system is running decoupled. It's pulling the data. It's not sending the instructions to the source. Okay, next question is how we can find the non-moving stock and transfer from one location to the other. That's Mr. Sandeep Jalan.
Okay, for the non-moving stock, right? I already shown you that in the demo, right? So you can identify the period. So you can ask system, I just want to identify certain stock which is not got sold for a certain period. So if you select that period, system will identify that stock that is not got sold a single piece during this period. So in this way, you can able to identify the non-moving item.
Yeah, non-moving item by period you can find by catalog. You can find by nature of store. Uh, so various options are there, and you can also, as Biplab showed in the demo, you can find it within the price point also. What's the difference between click view and click sense is the question from Rahim.
And now see, this is two products of Click, right? One is for the guided analysis, and this is for the self-service. But we are having our solution made in both this. Actually, we are having the solution in ClickView as well as we are having this solution in the ClickSense as well. But all the analysis is there in the both these two product in our solution.
Great. Gaurav Gupta's question was about, can we take action from the same page? As explained, we cannot take an action from the same page. We can download the Excel data and import it into Genesis for the assortment to tag as a promotion, or the assortment to tag, or the items to transfer to the store. So Excel import is possible in all the modules of Genesis. So wherever you require that data, we can fetch the data from the BI and move it to the transaction system. Mr. Nakul Mohan has a question. Can ClickSense be integrated with our existing inventory package or only works with Genesis?
With Genesis only, actually. Our solution is tightly integrated with Genesis. So with Genesis only.
I can explain this a bit better. So, ClickSense, definitely you can. ClickSense is an open, it's like a database. So like Oracle DB or SQL DB, it's like a database. So obviously you can use that database and create your own custom logic, your custom tables in that database and make it work for your application. There is no doubt. So whatever application you're using, it will definitely work over there. What Biplab's team has done is they have created a specific logic using, and that logic is assuming the data structure of Genesis. Now, if we have to make it work with some other inventory application, some other ERP application, so then that logic has to be totally rewritten. So that's why it is possible, but then obviously all the logic has to be redone. So it's not impossible, but it is possible, but it's like starting from scratch. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So Anik has a question for the data. On what basis is the criteria set, or is it industry standard? What data are we talking about? It's not clear. Anik, if you can explain the question a bit more and write it out, it will be helpful. I'm not sure which data you are referring to. Vishal Tyagi has a question. Can we move or interchange stock from offline and online both depending upon the sell through? Yeah, that allocation is again up to you. So we will in the BI solution, you will be getting the sales from both the channels. Yeah, Biplab, correct. You can show both e-commerce as well as marketplace as well as your Genesis
exactly.
Sales.
Exactly, we can show that. We can show that.
So all the sales channels are available in this system. So you will be able to see the sell through across your sales channels, and therefore you can move stock from one to the other as per your requirement. Can we see what category or brand is contributing to how much net profit? Definitely, Vipul Sachdeva has this question. Category wise or brand wise analysis. So if you're into retail, typically you want to see which brand which I'm buying or which particular assortment or which particular category is contributing to my net profit of the store. Biplab?
Yes, we are having that option. So you can select the brand and then brand wise sale, brand wise profit. All this reports is very much available.
Yeah, so in the interest of time and for saving everyone's time, we are not showing all the options, but definitely whatever is relevant, we are just explaining it right now. If you want a detailed discussion, our sales, account management, and everyone else is available to show it in detail. But right now, we are just discussing it so that it saves everyone time. So Sandeep Jalan has a question: min and max level of stock. I guess the question is how to maintain min and max level of stock and how to get a report of variances and stock not meeting these requirements. So I think that is possible. Yeah.
So for the min and max level stock, if you are already having that min and max level stock that is there in the, you can maintain that in Genesis as well. So if you are maintaining that min and max level that can be integrated in the solution, so that system can suggest whether you are having the excess stock or whether you are having the shortage stock, depending upon that min level and max level. And secondly, in this solution, we are also having the option to calculate the minimum level inventory or maximum level inventory, depending upon the sell trend, depending upon the product nature. So if that product nature and if that minimum and maximum level inventory, you can put that values as a parameter, then system can suggest you about this option, how much you should maintain as your minimum level or max level at stored level or at stored product level.
Okay. What again? Repeated question from Anil Deshmukh. What is the difference between ClickView and ClickSense? So I think we can skip that. Ankur Maheshwari, can we compare month-wise purchase versus what was the sales month-wise basis the master? I think master is not required. We have directly the transaction data itself. Correct.
Yes, you can compare the month-wise sale versus the month-wise purchase. You are having that option. If you select a particular month, then system can compare that month versus the previous month sale versus previous month purchase and like that.
So I guess the question is more like this: is it? I think the question is, can the purchase and sales be shown side by side?
Yes, we can show that.
Can we, Mr. Praveen Verma is asking, can we set the data visibility hierarchy? That is, category head can see only their categories. And so is there any view option of restricting certain categories to certain users?
Yes, it is very much possible. You can use the user level access restriction, so that depending upon the access right, user can see only their data in this solution. So the category head can able to see only the data of their category, not the others. This option is possible.
Mr. Sachin Agarwal is asking, having a question, can we see financial dashboard and also receivable and payable dashboard?
Now see, the demo that today we are showing you, it is the advanced analytics for retail, right? So we are having another product that is for the finance module. So in that particular finance module, we are having that finance dashboard, we are having that AR and outstanding analysis and all those things are there in this finance module.
Sure. So great. So Mr. Rajkumar is asking which software is used to find all the data. The question is pretty simple. The answer is very straightforward. It is Genesis BI. So that was a demo that you just saw. If you're not using it already, quite a few of our customers are already using it. But if you're not using it, you can find more about it from your solution manager. Mr. Kanapa, can we analyze price point wise sale and stock in a single screen for all products? Products will have different price points.
Yes, we can show that. Now see, we already show you the price point dashboard, right? So in the price point dashboard, we are also having that option price point details report. So in the price point details report, if you select the price point and on the basis of that price point, what is the sale and what is the stock, the system will show you.
Great. I think this more or less is the report that we just saw. There is no doubt that it's working. Does the ClickSense map the trend or forecast based on market? Okay, Vishal Tyagi has a question. ClickSense map the trend or forecast based on market trends or only from the organizational retail part which is synced with it, industry specific? So the question I guess is, can it pick up some market trends or only from the organization where it is running?
Only from the organization data.
Yeah, only from if there is any publicly available data source, we can pick it up, but we are not collecting all data from all the customers and creating some trend out of that. That we are not doing because we do not have access to your data. So, Mr. Piyush, hi, is there any difference between planning engine and this tool? Yes, obviously, planning engine is more about replenishment planning and supply chain, and this tool is about the overall analysis. It could be promotions, it could be assortment planning, it could be buying plan, it could be replenishment. So all the various aspects are covered in this tool from an analysis point of view. The other one is more on automation of replenishment. So that there's quite a bit of difference between the two. This tool, obviously, since we were building this tool, we felt that there some of it could show up here as well to make the job easier. So that's why this has some aspect of replenishment, but it's not a replenishment planning tool per se. So can we create a OTB, Mr. Kanappa? Can we create a OTB module considering different periods?
In our solution, we're having a standard OTP report, right? But on the basis of the customer's requirement, we can make a customization on that.
So Mr. Prakash Duderia is asking, we are using busy accounting software. Can your software take data from it and give us reports, analysis, predictions? I think it's the same question as before. Probably yes, in a technical way, but in a practical way, the answer is no, because we have to rewrite a lot of the logic, because we have to understand what the basic data structure is, and therefore, so technically yes, it's possible. Practically, it will take time, and obviously there is a ready solution out there. So we would prefer that you use the ready solution rather than trying to create something again from scratch. Mr. Rahim, can store data and warehouse data be clubbed and provided the report? As in the warehouse, we have bin-wise data. Can we get the data of stock aging bin-wise? So question is a bit not clear, but you can go for it, Viplab.
Mr. Rohin, you are already using our solution, right? So we will discuss on this particular point separately after this session.
Okay. Mr. Praveen, can we have period-to-period comparison reports? Can we set our own periods? Praveen Verma.
Yes, obviously, you can able to select your own period. We are having a specific module called the report builder. So in the report builder, we are having the period option. So you can select two different periods as per your choice from the calendar. And on the basis of that period, system will generate the report.
Oh, that's wonderful. You can even choose two custom periods and compare.
Exactly.
Oh. Pawan Rai, can we get the aging data of bin stock? Again, same question as Mr. Rahim. So I think Viplab, go for it.
Okay, fine. So we are having the inventory aging options in our solutions, but for the bin stock, right? Currently, it is under development. It will be released in the next session, next module actually. I think.
This Gaurav Gupta, this is hosted in our server or on cloud. Both options are there, Gaurav.
Exactly.
You can go for cloud hosting as well as on your own server. Is Mr. Dibya Jyoti Sinha is asking, is non-moving stock can be found basis on design level? Yeah, definitely it can be found out on the design level as well. So any item attribute mostly can be used to find out the non-moving stock. It's not necessary that you have to use the barcode. Mr. Kanappa, can we do payment analysis to vendors based on payment pending and product performance?
Now see, in these solutions, we're having a module called the vendor analysis. So inside that vendor analysis, the vendor performance, the vendor scorecard is available, where we're comparing the vendor performance depending upon the sale, purchase, aging, inventory days, and all those parameters. So by seeing that vendor scorecard, you can take a decision on vendor payment.
Great. Sachin Agarwal has a question. Can we mark important periods like Diwali, etc., whose dates are not fixed, and hence can we define such period like if we want to see Diwali and prior 20 days sales analysis? Yes, of course, we have a festival calendar analysis, so you can put your Diwali dates and the preceding and subsequent how much period you want, and system will automatically generate those period-wise reports year on year as well.
Exactly.
Is this product inbuilt? Suraj Bhatia's question, is this product available in Genesis HO? No, it's not an inbuilt part of Genesis HO. It's a separate application using Click, as others have also pointed out. So it's from Click. The technology is from Click, and hence the licensing is from Click. But the solution is all developed by us separately. So it is not possible to push that into the main Genesis product. Vicky Maishri is asking, does it help us in getting both central or store-wise or category level OTB plan? I want to understand the infrastructure required for setting up ClickView. I think we have already discussed OTB. So OTB is possible. We also have a default OTB report over here. And that obviously we can, OTB works store level as well as centrally. Both options are there, and we have the product analysis as well in OTB. So that is possible. The details are for each brand or each retailer has different requirements for OTB. So that part I think we have to definitely customize as per the requirement if you are using that report actively. And so wanted to understand the infrastructure requirement. I think that we can discuss separately, but usually we have, as I mentioned, we have a cloud hosting option hosted on our cloud. We have a own your own cloud hosting option, and third we have a on-premise, which is on your server kind of option. So details of what the options are and what is the configuration required, that you can discuss in details. Mr. Rahim, ClickSense looks more advanced than ClickView in regard to the bookmark and snapshots. Do we get the update of this? I think you can discuss with Mr. Biplav and your account manager for that, how to update to this version. Mr. Kanappa is asking, will the data available in Click is as of now or 1 day prior? So it's basis last day. So T-1 is
T-1.
Yeah. It is possible to do a T-half also, but I think the sense is to get a full day's data rather than half a day's data. So it's more valuable in every sense to have a complete date wise analysis rather than half day versus full day and all that, because it will just confuse things more. Divya Jyoti Sinha, see, can we set minimum and maximum stock level for refilling and stock transfer on category level, that is design, color, size basis? I think we already answered yes, it is possible. But we also have a planning tool which does that a bit better than this if the requirement is only for this. Suraj Bhatia, is this product inbuilt available in Genesis HO? Already explained. The application work in our cloud server. Yes, that option is there. Mr. Gaurav and Mr. Kanappa, can we trigger a report to concerned branches for shuffling stocks from them to some other branches? Yeah, through the bookmark option also, and we have an mail option in Click. But triggering of report, I don't know. Biplav, you can answer.
No, see, you can analyze that. You can take a download for downloading Excel, and then you can send that manually. Right?
Yeah.
So that option is there.
See, these kind of reports, it depends now. You don't want a daily trigger and you don't want to do it weekly also. It depends on when you have done some kind of analysis. That is when you want to move this. So it's not, doesn't make any sense for this to be a trigger based kind of thing. It's only mostly a, analysis based kind of decision making. Vijay K, to all panelists, according to GST, input on stock take loss need to reverse, where we can find input involved in stock take loss and how to entry it in finance. I think this is more a question of Genesis, which is related to accounting. So I think, Vijay, I suggest you speak with your account manager or CSM to find out details about this particular option. Pranesh, how can we get category-wise GMROF and gross margin return per square feet and PS per square feet per day something sale? Biplav?
Just 1 second. Can you please specify the requirement?
Pranesh is asking, can we get category-wise GMROF and PSPD per square feet per day sales?
So category-wise, per square feet per day sale, right?
Yeah.
So are you maintaining the category-wise space? So if you are maintaining that space, we can integrate that data so that you can able to get that analysis.
So if you are maintaining it that at that level, then category wise GIMROF is also possible.
Exactly.
Uh, can we get the franchisee store movement data as per their inventory in buying cost at head office? And not exactly clear. Biplab, is it clear to you, Pavan?
So the question is not clear. Question is not clear.
So I think the franchisee store movement at their buying cost is available in Genesis itself as a report. So I think we do not require it over here for your analysis. It's mostly required for the franchisee for their analysis. So that is available in Genesis anyway. Vijay Kumar, to all panelists, can we find stock loss analysis trend through any cube? So this Click is not, Genesis BI is not using any cube to prepare any data. So that part is there in Genesis only. So if this question is about Genesis, yes, you can find it. But about in the BI solution, definitely stock loss report is there. But stock loss of what? Is it through audit or is it through some other mechanism? Then we have that data. Whether you are referring to that, probably if you are referring to that, it is possible. So quite a lot of questions coming in. I think you can see some 70, 75 new questions. I suggest please do not put in more questions because we are already short over time. I'll quickly try to rush through whatever is there. Right. So Anand Kishore is asking, can we do customer analysis as well, like when they have purchased last, what they have purchased, etc. Can we get these without with putting any mobile number on single dashboard?
Now see, currently in this particular module, we don't have that customer analysis, but we're having a separate module for that. Depending upon the customer's mobile number, we can analyze the its purchase pattern and all those things. But for that, we are having a separate module.
Okay, Mr. Manu Chatlani is asking, can we get aging data at any style level for each store separately?
Sir, yes, obviously you can get that. You can get that.
Mr. Dibya Jyoti Sinha is asking, is there any report of non-working vendor list for a particular period?
So for a non-working vendor means what is the parameter? Means
I think non-performing vendor. I think so. Means fill rate is low or margin is not enough. I think those reports are there.
Exactly. Now, if you can able to identify the product which is non-performing, and then you can identify the product is purchased from which vendor. So this is there in our solution.
So Surinder Sahu, can we get the aging report? Then yes, if yes, then please explain. Suppose particular item purchased 4 pieces on 1st Jan, 2 pieces on 5th Jan, same has been sold. Yes, definitely aging report is there, basis FIFO. Shekhar Agarwal, can we get the package report of all stock stores along with the warehouse?
No, package report is not there in the solution. I think it is already there in Genesis.
Yeah, it's already there in Genesis. So I think it's more of an operational report. We can see if we need to add it over here. Mr. OP Gupta, can we calculate OTB from this, which will support our buying plan? Have you any live case in B2B? Yes, OTB option is there. Live case in B2B who is using Genesis BI? Yes, we have a few live cases as well. We can share with you separately when we discuss individually one-on-one. I'm just rushing through right now. Do we have any reports for WMS? I think, Mr. Kanapa, those reports are part of the Genesis reporting itself. So you can get it directly in Genesis. Shekhar Agarwal, can we get the package report of all the stores along with the warehouse? Yes, not in BI, but in Genesis itself. Lucky, can high value product analysis also assist us in planning the replenishment of stocks? See, high value product analysis is just the name of this webinar. It's not any specific tool or any specific module. So you are going to use either the replenishment engine, which is available with Genesis, or the BI tool. Both can help you with the replenishment. Surinder Sahu, sir, can we get the aging report? If yes, then please explain. This is already done. Can Utkarsh is asking, can system create an auto replenishment purchase order for inventory basis on an algorithm of pace of sales, production timeline, and minimum stock value? Sir, for this you have to use the Genesis auto replenishment system. As I said, the two solutions are different and they have different requirements. We have to help the retail. We have put some part of that over here, the analysis part. Dibyajyoti Sinha, season buying based on the last season. Can we get the report on category level? Season wise buying on the last season. Yes, of course. Rohit Kadam is asking, is there any case where SKU doesn't move all across? Sometimes SKU does good in south, but not in north. How tool will work here and suggest purchase plan at global level? See, yeah, go ahead, Vipul.
Yes, I already show you, right? The store-to-store product suffering report. So if you select a particular product, then the system will show you in which region it is doing good or it is not doing good, in which region or in which store. So from that particular analysis, you can take a decision on that.
Okay. Can finance and stock movement modules integrate in Qlik? Yes, finance is there. Stock is already there. Finance, we have a separate module and stock is already part of the retail analysis. What is the cost if this application will run on a cloud server like AWS? So we have a subscription based costing to start with. We have a permanent costing as well. Both options are there. So depending on your requirements, you can go for it. And you can install it in your own cloud also, or you can use our cloud server, which is already optimized for this tool. Is tool available staff-wise conversion reports, like staff-wise performance, and daily, monthly. Salesman, sales reports.
Yes, salesman analysis is possible. Salesman performance, salesman incentive, salesman ROI. So this kind of things is possible.
And where can we find stock loss analysis trend through AnyCube? This I think we have already covered. Where can we get loss of sales? Anil Deshmukh. Where can we get loss of sales? Not clear, but loss of sales due to product not being present. We have a report in the system, which is a very good report. That is loss of sales due to merchandise not being present in the store. But loss of sales due to customer not buying a product, that we don't know. Sanjay Arora is asking, can we have Salesforce management so that we can analyze target achievement at salesman level? I think we already answered, yes, it is possible for the showroom sales staff, yes. How can we plug external sales data along with our own sales data? So in this, pretty flexible, so we can import through Excel mostly. And Atin is asking, can we find stock analysis through Qlik? So stock loss, as I mentioned, it's part of normal audit report itself. Here we'll get it as one of the data points. Someone is asking, sir, can we start a scheme with more than 150 brands in a single day or 5 to 6 hours, and also suggest can we club 2 or more scheme in single brand? This is more a Genesis feature requirement and Genesis solution requirement. So I think you discussed it separately with your CSM. So yes, it is possible. I think so. There is no problem. So that we can fix incentive targets at salesman level, correct? So salesman incentive option is there. Mr. Sanjay, salesman incentive option is there, so no problem. Can we get the franchisee store data if we buy any item in 100 rupees in the head office and sell it? No, this franchisee store movement report is there in Genesis itself. I think you'll be able to get it from there. Rajiv Ranjan, any video link is available for how to use BI? Is the service chargeable? So yes, the solution is chargeable. Yes, the frank answer is correct. But training and setup we are doing anyway when you sign on. And this video training, today's training video will be uploaded in some system or shared with you separately on email. So you'll be able to get it. Final question, discount report, end of season sale report, and other reports can be extracted. Yes, definitely we have a report builder tool. So these kind of reports can be extracted as well. So in Genesis, we have these reports, but in BI solution also, we have created an option as a report builder where you can pull out these reports. Thank you so much for your really enthusiastic participation.
Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Rohit.